It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Now back to the direction, guys. Now here with Tommy Lee Sparta. Yo, these are the days. The official audio drop a while ago, but then I post a video. I post like 4 videos. And also after I post like 2 videos, YouTube start sending notifications, which is very hurtful. I don't know why YouTube do that. But anyway, we're not talking about that. People comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And of course, every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. So you might want to subscribe where I'm coming from right now. I'm going to go for Tommy Lee. These are the days. Official. Audio. You know, the Sparta song is not normal for run putting up people. Run out! Instrumental bad. It named John Wick Rhythm, people. John Wick with rhythm. I realize that the Matrix thing go on. They put Tommy Lee face over John Wick. Watcha. And the old Tommy Lee them carry back in everything, you know. I'm gonna see what I go on. And the old Tommy Lee them bring back in the people say if you want to do the song without me pausing it and giving my reaction, even though you're here for my reaction, the link is down below in the description to the original song. Anyways, and the old Tommy Lee them bring back, you know. Remember I tell me say, it's alright, it's okay. I'm gonna bring the bright daylight. Listen to what I said. Bumble cleat. The man said no girl can call him a cat. No girl can call him a pup. No girl can call him a pup. I try to keep that one clean. But I try. I say I go try. Although my child is Tyrekejt and not made for kids, so I don't watch it with anyway. But run through. Hold on, why you say about block shop and mother a while ago? No, hold on. I need to hear what go on Tommy Lee Sparta. Go on with it, number that. I know someone has too much flow. Tommy Lee have too much flow for Gaza. Tommy Lee have bad flow. If you them ever and pipe, let me know how Tommy Lee them so backside. Imagine it's different than everybody one dog. Why? What's so special? Let me know. Run out door. Make them sleeping for the past now. We give them the chili, them will company me and I say, our father. You saw them and they're bad people. Them and I say, like, wow, the devil until they will company me and say, our father. They can't help with Tommy Lee. Listen some more Tommy Lee say people. The man in this town, only one man in this town. Say them a king, chop off the man with the crown. Them a sit down on the throne. Someone call themselves king. You know Tommy Lee say, you know, go chop off their hair with the crown with on them head. Them have a crown on them and they can claim to them a king, you know. Them just whoop and take off your. What do you want Tommy Lee say for them again? Hold on, we're not them girl with them boy. Hold on. Go on, Tommy Lee, go on. No man say like him girl. Dick in her mouth, she can't make no sound. If me need have a strap. Hold on, the strap. Whatever strap. Run through now. And so I can play ball with the moon. Carry your sound in the ground. These are the days, so never blaze, no jealous. We always about the moon a while ago. Come on, this never hear what I'm saying in the dark. Alice never hear what the boss say a while ago. These are the days, so never blaze, no jealous, give everything I love. These are the days gonna go blaze up some more you about the moon, bro God. Oh, boom, nah, the man say so high and can do the moon. Bumble cleat. Let's go. Everybody that connect in our face. And right now Tommy Lee say, yo, right now, it's the rhythm, John Wick rhythm, you know. You see, none of them shot and catch him, you know. You see, in there in between, right? So everybody have them gun pipe and you think none of them catch him. None at all I gonna catch your boss. None at all. Cause I Jad, go on. Where's somebody cage? When you see something moving in the glass, when you realize I see something in the glass and move, but on that me I pray. Why you say I wanna go bless? There's actually a video in the glass. You know the glass is them? There's actually a video moving in the glass, people. Tell me if me a cap. Look keenly at the glass. Someone is fighting in the glass. Is it the John Wick show? Yo, looking at the glass, people. Looking at the glass I'm having and tell me somebody is actually fighting at the glass. Watch it. And the John Wick movie or something. Oh nah, dog. That's why I like my glass and I can write videos after my songs and videos after my laptop. I'm still thing. I would never have seen that if I was doing it on my phone, yo. Like, look at that. That's crazy. That is crazy. But MSC, if you don't have to go to this part and not subscribe, please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you don't like the video yet. You understand me? I'm going to premiere that video. So if you're in the premiere right now, big up yourself. Thank you for checking out the reaction boss. Thank you for love and support as usual. If you never get make it to the premiere, big up your homework yourself too. Don't know chat. And the super chat button work. And I'm done. I don't make it on the phone. Run through. Just subscribe to the channel. That's enough for me. Run through. If you're not asleep on the boss, you know. If you're not asleep on the Sparta boss, you know. You try to rest in a peace, you know. Because, you know, then you find out, you know, a circle ends, you know, a problem, you know. Ah, run through. Man said, rise up the buried top, people get buried and killers them not. Bumbuckler, the man said killers them not ordinary, dog. If we did someone the video that lit, if we did smoking the videos in the video that lit, run through. Why I say come after you like what January do with February? Hey, if we not listen to the lyrics, if we not listen keenly, you know, this is what the man say, my God. Listen this. Yo, why me ever get this wrong, brother? Let me say you said that. Go on. You might say February could never January do February. Bloodclay, go on, with you. The man said put one be upon. Oh, land there. Tamale had this some boy, you know. Tamale had this some boy, you know. Alright, now, so which artist come out and more be with Tamale in the like? But if we go over the mix of channel terror then I make him clear what terror than I say about this. The man said put more be upon the map, you know. While them boy they still they in a primary school, you know. Make sure you hear what the man say a while ago on that because if you think me a ramp with the reaction. I mean, I ramp with the reaction, no. Listen what the man said that. When them day primary. No, Tamale here, watch that man. Listen what the man said that people. Oh, everybody man, this man said every man a friend of me. But hold on. Me no know how much talk. Go on, June. Guys, alright, we don't worry about the chorus again. We'll go through Stanley Cup. You see, we never know who did. Well, I know some man go after Tamale already, you know. But I never know if I'm not sure if him or them I just, you know. No, so I'm not in the game so long, you know. You know me, you know. The Clash of Man is very bad, you know. If we know say that song, if a song I did that diss up some boy, they feel real bad. Would turn on the Clash of Man mode and found in the video, but the reaction boss still there. I two different characters I have, you know. Well, three, the vlog boss, the reaction boss, and the Clash of Man. You don't know about them. But one on the dog. Tamale carry some boy face and that's your dog. John, no, go on. Man, okay, dog, I have some more left with that video and that. Trust me, you know. You have some more left with that. Nah, nah, this sound like it's our old family song, dog. But as most people want to say thank you for love and support us. Usually I'm left with that mini video I go now. Another video right there, so. That, the next song pan already, I'm gonna react to it. I see it drop too now. What them name? Javelin do it. You know what? Anytime I react to Javelin song, dog, people them know run out. People don't like him. Javelin, like Javelin the fans them. I don't know, them are like people react to him song them or something. But Javelin rush like them don't run out, dog. You will find that right now. You know what? Big up on yourself, thank you, love and support as usual. I don't know chopping at people. The Russian boss is out.